Good morning, boys and girls. I'm Miss Veronica.
And I'm Miss Darlene.
Today we're going to celebrate Flag Day. Yesterday was Flag Day, so today is Monday. And we're going to celebrate Flag Day with art today.
Today's art project was scratch and scratch art. You scratch off. This is a flag. We're going to scratch off and see what it becomes.
And this is a star. And you can scratch it off as well with the star. Makes a nice background. And we also have a pinwheel. You can put the pinwheel together. And as Mom is riding down the car, as you're riding in the car, you can put your pinwheel outside the window and let it blow. Or either just go outside. So this is a nice pinwheel that you can play with as well.
Okay, in today's homework, I want you to find out who made the first flag, the other things, how many stars, how many stripes are on the flag, and what do they represent. Have fun.
Have fun.